So, my country people then, this one now, Tory Master, Grand Casserole, where they bring only true story there. So, today, the story today now, wait till you learn before and after lockdown. You understand? Waiting you learn before and after lockdown. So this story is the focus directly for parents them. If you be papa, when you look this video, when you hear my story, after the end of this story, after the end, go outside there, go buy some fine present for mommy. You can't give them for your pikin mommy, for your wife, or for your jumba, for keeping you warm all this lockdown. Just go buy fine present. You can't give your pikin mommy. You know, buy nice thing you can't give you or your wife. That's if for people that get pikin, their mommy pikin buy present go give it. They need some good present because I know say number one, during this lockdown, you don't learn plenty things them. You don't see plenty things that we not be know. You don't discover new things them. And me I no one name them. Me I no one talk. Your woman no go tell you. You yourself you see things the way you be never see before. You learn things the way you be never learn before. You do things the way you be never do before. You understand? I see some people that the Baba pikin. You understand that the Baba pikin. I see even this big football star Etofi. You see, he do pancake, they fry pancake. You understand? Lockdown make so many things that happen. It takes some people that go, but it change some people their life. It bring chakara for some family. That one not true. But when you look at the good side for it, waiting, lockdown, before and after you do for your life. So now we to remind come for Kanta and say, so many things in the way that happen will not be known. But during this lockdown, we don't learn. If you be papa, you go understand which way are they talk. Because as they lock you down, you and mama and picking them. For those who they get picking them, and they talk this one for those who they get picking them. Even if you not get picking, you begin a jumba or you get a girlfriend or you Zuka will stay. At least the lock will not down. If they lock you down with the real person, you know what you mean. For lock two people they down. Things that happen. Things that happen, good, bad, and ugly. After this lockdown is finished, you go understand, say, you go breathe air. You go breathe air. You understand? Because plenty challenges a baby na trial period for most parents. You understand? Now you be papa, you dey for house. You don't see say it's not easy for mommy them. It's not easy for mommy pikin. Every morning you wake up, you wash pikin, you make breakfast, they chop. You carry them, you go leave them for school. You know they live for country. And they talk mostly for families the way that they live for Europe. Even though you know so one day for Africa too, they live the same. You go, mommy, you do all this work, go leave pikin for school, come back sometime, papa, you just sleep. Sometimes papa, you enter for house now for 12 o'clock night. You don't go drink in Bosuto, you go come now for 12 o'clock night. You come safe, sometimes you no go leave mama asleep. You go dey push you, make it give you something. No, as especially those who African mommy, them African woman, black woman, they get sorry heart plenty. You go say, okay, Omo, take some more, you will give you some more. For morning, go worry, you don't say wake up, you prepare picking them go school, you just still sleep. When they come back, sometimes you go even ask say, baby, I get something for job. When I not think say, would they overgive them work? They did overwork, you know. Woman, they get plenty responsibility. We will not know. But now I think say we know. Make we the help them. Make we the support them. Not only with money. Make we support them for work. They say Peking, now two people that they bring up Peking. Fine. You mama do am, papa you do am. Today, papa you take pikin go outside, you go play. Tomorrow, mama, if you get time, you take pikin, you go play. If you come back for work, you see say mama tire, help you. If you self, help pikin them una do homework. Help the pikin them. No be say mama finish do chop. You can't put on you the chop. Pikin the chop, he take pikin them, go do homework. Or he take pikin them again, go for bed, pikin sing song, make they sleep. No. You too. This work the plenty for mama, the plenty. You too, you give for the help. You like man for horse. You give for the help too, for support pikin. Support mommy. Support the house. Because they say now you be foundation for house. Hey, understand they talk. They say man na foundation. Even though some of my friends say no one be head of house, he want be na tay. He want give head for your wife. So that if you get peace. So wait to read man can talk and say, mama, they work too much and they work like say they not get man. Meanwhile, plenty from them they get man. They do that work like say man not there. So wait till they need for man for house. Where mama go they do this plenty work. Where they say 1 + 1 na 1. I don't know if now 1 + 1 na 2 because most of the work na mama they do. You go only can give small money, you forget. You say mama do all things. Even for go do shopping, mama go do shopping. No, not be so that they do. My brother then, if you be man for house or for this, especially for this one man country, if weekend reach, take your woman, una go outside, una go try for do shopping for house, buy kako for house. Since as farm not there for here, our own farm na shop. Now go, you help them carry that thing the way they heavy. Carry help you, carry and caliber for house. Take pikin them, go outside, they go turn. Take pikin them, you know, when I go waka, so that my mommy head too free before you won't come. Sometime, at least he don't rest. So we go for thing all those things. You see, mommy get plenty work. Now you want, they look at pikin them, wash your clothes, clean house. She can give you something before you sleep for night. You know, service you well, you know, make your body. You understand? That's see mommy. So wait to be your own work. So your own work now only for come on one end. You give 500 euro, 300 euro. So you can do this, you go. That'll be better thing. I think say this time for lockdown, we don't learn plenty. And see plenty men they don't help their woman for her do things them for this lockdown. So would you hope say this time so that time for learn? You don't have plenty people them for no new thing them. You don't see what way your woman can go through. Because some papa them they call me, then they complain, say man go crazy. They begin them, then they leave man. Then they can't add them again, say papa them or mama they go teach pikin. They work on too much. So if you be man when you look this video and you think say during lockdown you learn something better, you get wuru life before, you get chakara life before, my brother, now na time where you get for show for your woman say you don't change, say you are transformed by the Holy Spirit, by the Holy Ghost. You are born again in spirit and in soul. Show him, make changes, make him feel like he not ever failed before. Not only come you do show you love, be there for you, be the head for the family, be the foundation for your family. Support your woman for house. When he call, pick your phone. When he say, baby, I need you be there for you. Not this one way. Every time you go outside there, stay for outside with jumba. Nine. Family na gold. When you get your own, appreciate them. Look out and find. Because that people, there's some people they there for outside where they not like for see people the way that they better. And when they see fine family, so plenty temptation they be there. So you be man. You give for be very careful. They say a man be head for family. That's so they talk. That's so big book talk. That's so book for God talk. Be the head. You know, be true head. Okay? Look at your picking them. Support your woman for house. If you come for house dirty, What be the problem? Clean the house now, una house. If you come, mommy know the house, pikin them hungry, you hold them. Enter kitchen, do something. If you don't know, next time ask your wife, make a tissue for cook. Because if you know the way you go do, pikin them go die hungry. If you wake up for bed, mama they do something, they arrange pikin them, you fix bed. What is problem not there? Who get brother them when they marry the white people there? They do all this work. But I don't know why. When you marry your own sister from Africa, it said turn into house girl. Meanwhile, most of women who married white woman would they work for you like house boy. Make we stop this kind of fashion. White or black will be the same. If you want to change your life because you're there for one man country, then no say a woman to go change your life. The thing are 50-50. You understand, as I be talk for my last video, love not trust. When you trust, then you go love somebody. If you not trust somebody, you no go love it. So that woman where the born you are picking them, if they look what you are picking them. This one, after this corona, I think saying that time where all papa they don't learn by force learn for inside house. So make we try now after this lockdown for the support mommy them. Make they know they do all the work, only them. If you get time, we know some people they get work where they occupy them plenty. But if you get time, help your woman for house. Help you, even go support you for cook. No, go be with you for kitchen, cook. Make you cook, you see them. They like that kind of thing. Not only for room you go they touch. Even for kitchen. If you cook, they look at the touch, if they cook, they chop, better chop. You know, most of my friends them, where they lock them down. All them, they don't add kilo. Now so all they don't gebe. What it happen? Then they chop better chop now. Then they chop for morning, afternoon, evening. For evening, mama handle them well. You know, mama fire them. See the boy, them all they one that they smile. All they don't gebe. They call me say, Torimas, I don't add 10 kilo. I say, that is good. Mommy, they take care well. So after lockdown, you go gym. So after lockdown, no stop, you go to support mommy. Because I just they pray. All families the way they don't be. When they be done the chakara before, after this lockdown, where they don't lock them down, we they pray and they believe God say the family it will stay like that forever, continuously. Chakara no will be again because now plenty in them they don't be soft. You understand? So this one so now for people the way they get you get Africa chap, you get Daki Nga. Now the gebe. So my friend we again now we come here tell me say the prayer make this lockdown finish because when you marry or your body kind you go drink soup you go drink soup, they chop soup, chop jama grass, chop small grass. Then you get for see go do something one night, if you die. So that my friend those small so like bonga fish, like crayfish. It does small so they only cry in the pray make this lockdown finish quick before they escape. You see so that if you go outside, you buy better chop. White people they need chop them plenty chop, they chop grass, chop, drink, they fine. And you black man you don't chop fufu for change your heart. So as story master talk, I don't want to talk plenty because I don't already tell una the thing will be for my belly. All man picking they don't learn this time for lockdown. Say woman they get plenty work and now the time for all una for wake up una start support them, una help them, una don't see the work, una divide the work so that may at least make them too they get some more air for break. Not only them picking, them house, them chop, them you. Una one key them. I beg, make una wake up for sleep now. Una say una there for one man country, una do the one man they do. Una support una woman there, una be there for them, una do all things with them so that may they be very, very happy after this lockdown. This one, now una Tori Master. Make una not forget for subscribe for my YouTube channel, you understand? Follow me for Instagram, Facebook, and for Twitter. And make una drop una comments wetin una think for this topic wey I talk, wetin una be learn and wetin wey una think say una go do now so that make una woman be happy, how una go change, you understand? Una put am all for comment section so that we go fit share am with other people dem, you understand? Make una share this video, make it go viral, make una share am, make papa dey hear this news so that may they do better work now for build family, may they build foundation for family, may they make mommy happy. And una not forget for buy their present, buy your woman present after this lockdown. Even our own lockdown never end, we're under almost end. I don't already buy my woman a present. Go buy your woman present, tell you say mama thank you, you be done do plenty work wey I no know. So make una stay blessed, stay safe, and I dey wish una all the best for this long weekend. This one na Tori Master from Berlin. Stay safe.